Join me as I take a behind-the-scenes look of True Products, who manufactures everything for your laundry needs.
How y'all doing today? This is the factory for True Laundry Detergent. This is where we produce the laundry detergent. We have one of the best laundry detergent on the market. All right, this is the one with the fragrance. It's 101 ounce. It's 101 loads, and that's our value. 1 ounce equal 1 load. This is the free and clear for sensitive skin. So if you have children or sensitive skin, this product is for you. We've been selling this product now for about maybe 13 years. The purple one was our first product. And also we have a fabric softener. This is a vegan fabric softener. It's made 97% cotton seeds. We have the only vegan fabric softener on the market. Have a nice lavender scent. And we have one more product, the dryer sheets. We have a true biodegradable dryer sheet. It comes in a lavender scent and also comes in an unscented sheet. We have pallets that's going out. This pallet right here is going to New York. We have locals. We ship to California, all over the 50 states. And this is our production facility. And they packing for the USPS and UPS now. So we ship every day, 5 days a week. So we just invested in this new machine. It's called Dyson. It's a Siemens board. And we could do like 900 pouches an hour with this new filling machine. Whereas before we had a semi-automatic filling machine and we could do only 300 pieces a day. So this machine has really increased our production. And we like to thank all our customers out there for the last 14 years who have supported us and continue to support us. And we invite anyone here in Atlanta, if you're here, if you want to stop by our facility, if you want to bring children over to see our facilities, just have to contact us and we'll invite you all over to see this excellent facility that we have. And we pride ourselves on an excellent product. Every time we put out a product, we want to put out the most excellent product.
Order yours today and support this Black-owned business. Thank you for watching.